Pag-aralan ng wasto, panatiling sariwang
Dito po sa DENR Administrative Order Number 2005-10, Subject Implementing Rules and Regulations of the Philippine Clean Water Act of 2004, Republic Act Number 9275. Dito tumutukoy on how can we protect our water resources through this law. At meron itong salient provision uh, mandating all owners, operators of establishments that discharge wastewater into the environment. Ano yon? Sabi dito sa Rule 14, tumutukoy sa wastewater discharge permit. So ito yung isang provision under DAO 2005-10. Ang sinasabi dito sa Rule 14, the discharge permit shall specify the quantity and quality of effluents that the permittee is allowed to discharge as well as the validity of the permit. So, merong authorization ang sino man dapat to discharge wastewater. Sabi nga dito sa Section 14, the department referring to DNR shall require owners or operators of facilities that discharge regulated effluents pursuant to this act, the Clean Water Act, to secure a permit to discharge. So ang common question na dyan, sino ang covered nitong discharge permit? Ito daw yung mga owners or operators of facilities that discharge regulated effluent. So ngayon, dito sa Rule 14.18, meron ditong dalawang bagay na kailangang tingnan. Sa Rule 14.18, pollution sources connected to sewerage systems. I read pollution sources currently discharging to existing sewerage systems with operational wastewater treatment facilities shall be exempt from the permit requirement, provided that in the absence of or pending the establishment of a sewerage system, pollution sources shall be covered by the permit requirements. So napakalinaw kung sino ang required ng discharge permit at sino ang maaring ma-exempt. So typical na kapag ka ikaw ay connected sa sewerage system at yung system sa pagkaka-describe dito with operational wastewater treatment facility. So, ma-exempt ka sa discharge permit kapag ka nakakonect ka dyan. And sa kabilang banda, in the absence of or pending the establishment of a sewerage system, pollution sources shall be covered by the permit requirements. So for example, meron kang septic tank or anumang facility na magdi-discharge ka sa environment ng effluent, regulated effluent, pero hindi sa sewerage system with operational treatment facility. Kailangan mo ng discharge permit. Kaya yung may mga pollution sources like septic tank or sewage treatment plant or wastewater treatment plant na dini-discharge mo directly sa water body or sa mga public drainage connected to water body, kailangan mo ng discharge permit. Yan ang sinasabi sa Rule 14.18. At meron ding isang memorandum na mababasa tayo. Sabi dito sa Memorandum Circular Number 006, Series of 2020, dated February 12, 2020, entitled Clarification in the Implementation of Rules 13.8 and 14.18, yung kakabasa pa lang natin kanina, of the DAO 2005-10. Basahin natin 'to, sabi dito, "Pursuant to Republic Act number 9275, also known as the Philippine Clean Water Act of 2004 and DAO 2005-10, or the implementing rules and regulations of RA 9275. The following are the provisions of Rules 13.8, wastewater charges in ecozone, and sa 14.18, pollution sources connected to sewerage systems of DAO 2005-10. Ano sabi dito? Number one, the wastewater discharge fee shall be paid by the operator of the wastewater treatment plant located within ecozone, provided that industries within ecozones that are not connected to the water treatment plant shall be liable for the wastewater charges individually. And then number two, pollution sources currently discharging to existing sewage system with operational wastewater treatment facility shall be exempt from the permit requirement, provided that in the absence of or pending the establishment of a sewage system, pollution sources shall be covered by the permit requirement. Ayan. Now, the following are the clarification in the implementation of Rules 13.8 and 14.8 of DAO 2005-10. So, isa-isa natin yung kinaklarify ng memorandum na ito. Water service providers, economic zones, business districts, industrial estates, and similar business parks shall put up adequate wastewater treatment plant, secure a discharge permit, and pay the corresponding wastewater discharge fee. Oh, malinaw na yon. Malls and buildings that are not connected to centralized wastewater treatment plant are similarly required to put up their wastewater treatment plant and secure discharge permit. Yan, malinaw din. Locators and establishments that are not connected to existing wastewater treatment plant are required to secure discharge permit individually and shall be liable for its wastewater charges. Locators and establishments or stores that are connected to existing WTP of ecozones and malls or buildings respectively are exempted from securing discharge permit. However, a certificate of interconnection or connection must be issued by the operator of the said WTP, and said certificate must be submitted to the concerned EMB regional office. So, yan yung mga clarification kung saan sino ang responsible for securing discharge permit, sino naman yung maaring ma-exempt at ano yung equivalent document na dapat ma-present, mai-submit sa EMB para ma-exempt for securing discharge permit. So ito ay signed by Engineer William P. Cunyado, Director of Environmental Management Bureau, noong time na or date na February 12, 2020. So, in summary, ang Philippine Clean Water Act of 2004 through DAO 2005-10, the IRR of Clean Water Act, provides the policy of discharge permitting requirement for owners, operators of facilities that discharge regulated effluent. At sinambit na yung sino ang required ng discharge permit at sino ang exempted dito. So I hope you have learned something kung sino patungkol sa discharge permit, kung sino ang required nito o hindi or exempted. And sa mga PCO training, dinidiscuss na ito kung papaano ang pag-secure ng discharge permit, kung required ka nito, ano ang mga requirements sa pag-apply ng discharge permits. If you want to attend the basic PCO training conducted by JP Environment Consultancy Services, just contact 0998-543-5466 or email at jpex.training@gmail.com at ilalagay natin yan dyan sa description nitong video. Thank you very much for time listening and God bless us all.